MI-612 Dual-Use Projector Stand. Installation. Step 1. Base assembly. Connect the pole through the base connector and into the base. Then, secure in place using the provided bolts and hex wrench. Step 2. Install the hand knob. Adjust the angle of the top bolt to the fully upright position. Insert the hand knob into the threaded hole on the side as shown and then tighten to lock the bolt into position. Step 3. Lower shelf assembly. Place the lower shelf over the protruding bracket and secure it in place using a Phillips head screwdriver and the provided screws. Step 4. Projection shelf. If your projector has a compatible mounting point, it may be screwed directly into the top of the stand. If the projector is not compatible, then the projector shelf can be installed in its place. To install the shelf, place it directly on the mounting bolt and twist it until it is secure. The projector may now be placed directly on the projector shelf. Step 5. Height adjustment. To adjust the height of the stand, hold the upper pole firmly and release the latch. Raise or lower the pole to the desired height and push the latch back down to lock it in place.